welcome to today's vlog. Yeah. Okay, here's my outfit of the day. Tank top and some shorts. Yeah. Okay, now I'm chilling watching these guys.
I love having a mole. We should go buy you a trench coat and a fedora.
I suggested to the girls that next week we invite Constance to lunch. Get a couple of drinks in her and see what comes up.
Who knew that behind such a sweet face lurked the soul of a spy?
I prefer the term woman of mystery and intrigue. Excuse me. Hello?
Rory?
Okay, now I'm getting ready for work. Yeah.
Kind of hate those guys.
Really? Can't see why. Wow. I moved some things around. I also switched our rooms. Now mine may seem bigger, but yours gets less sun, so you don't have to worry about melanoma. Hey, what? Sorry. Thanks.
Hey, welcome to story time. So today was a very long day. Yeah. I think it was a very long day. So yeah, so today was my first day back on my bike. Really needs to go into the shop. Since the accident, I mean, I did fine. I'm fine. No scaredness. I'm fine. Just it needs to go into the shop, and I'm cold. Realize I'm cold. Yeah, it was my first day back on it. I made it there, made it back. No accident. Again. No more bike attacks. First day back on the bike. Fun. Made it a blast. But it really needs to go into the shop, so yeah. Not that, well. It was good. Were there any problems at work? No. I swear, this probably looks just better. I don't have to deal with Helen anymore. And every time she upset me, really, I don't. I mean, I'm in my own business here more, but really, I don't deal with Helen. Well, because I picked it up from the other store. Mind your business. Yeah, I would do that a lot. And what else did? Nothing. We got out late, but I believe we were running a little bit behind at the time we got out. I don't even remember if I punched out right now. I'm in trouble if I didn't. I think I did. If I didn't, it's okay. I'll be in tomorrow. I'll follow the way to fix it tomorrow. Oh, there's nothing in the world. I don't know if I did. I don't know. That time clock so far, and you always forget to punch out. I was there. I think I did. I hope I did. I've done it before, but I forget to punch out. My story is just so hard to figure out. I don't think I have anything else to say. If I did punch out, figure out tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another vlog. Like and subscribe. Bye.